Stacy, what's going on?
I just went to the store, bought myself a Kit Kat bar, made a cup of tea, went to dig into the Kit Kat bar. Not very good. Okay, as you will see, this piece here, nice Kit Kat inside, nice wafers, nice chocolate. This piece, no Kit Kat inside, just chocolate. What the fuck is up with that? I don't know, but I want the real Kit Kat bar, and this ain't it. So, Nestle, what are you gonna do for me, boy? As you can see, this is the rest of it.
Okay, so
The other half.
No Kit Kat within.
One,
That part as well.
two.
Yeah.
And I ate one piece. It was not very tasty without the Kit Kat. And look at this shit. Nutting! Nutting! Nutting!
Now that it's a video documentary.
I'm so upset I could cry. Ah! I likes to wafers, I likes to crunch. And this got none of it. Oh my Jesus!
Contact the Kit Kat.
The piece with the Kit Kat bar and it only had a little bit of Kit Kat. What the fuck, man? Okay, I'm gonna contact those Kit Kat people. We're gonna get this straightened out. I'll
Thanks,
keep
Stacey.
you updated. Loves it.